Hello and welcome to this video. Today we are going to talk about why a PG Diploma is better than an MBA for students with no prior work experience. Firstly, let's understand what a PG Diploma and an MBA are. A PG Diploma is a 1 or 2 year postgraduate program that focuses on a specific area of study. It provides students with practical knowledge and skills required for a particular profession. On the other hand, an MBA is a 2-year postgraduate program that covers various business aspects and provides a broad understanding of the corporate world. Now, let's dive into why a PG Diploma is a better option for students with no work experience. Specialized knowledge. A PG Diploma program is designed to provide specialized knowledge and skills required for a particular field. This makes it easier for students to understand the subject and apply it to their job. In contrast, an MBA program provides a general understanding of the corporate world and may not provide the same depth of knowledge. Time and cost. A PG Diploma program is typically of shorter duration and costs less than an MBA. This makes it a more accessible option for students with no work experience, who may not want to invest too much time and money in their education before entering the workforce. Industry connections. PG Diploma programs are often run in collaboration with industry partners, which means students get an opportunity to interact with professionals in their field. This helps them build a network and gain industry insights, which can be beneficial in their job search. Practical skills. PG Diploma programs are designed to provide practical skills and hands-on experience. This is particularly useful for students with no work experience, as it helps them gain a better understanding of the practical aspects of their chosen field. Flexibility. PG Diploma programs are often designed to be flexible, allowing students to choose from a range of elective courses based on their interests and career goals. This flexibility enables students to tailor their education to their specific needs and interests. In conclusion, while an MBA program is a valuable asset for professionals looking to advance their careers, a PG Diploma is a better option for students with no work experience. It provides them with specialized knowledge, practical skills, and industry connections required to kickstart their careers. Moreover, a PG Diploma program is more accessible, cost-effective, and flexible, making it an ideal choice for students who are just starting out. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about this subject, head over to the video description for links and resources. Like, share, and subscribe to Study Metro for more awesome content.